I love me a muffin. The problem with most muffins that you buy outside of your home is that they're more of a dessert than they are a snack because they're loaded with oil and processed sugar. We avoid that by using applesauce instead of oil and then bananas instead of sugar. These are also naturally gluten-free because I'm using oat flour. If you don't have any oat flour on hand, but you have a blender and oats, you can make your own in about 30 seconds in a high-speed blender. If you don't want to make these gluten-free, you can easily just swap this out with flour. We're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients. So we've got 2 cups of oat flour in here. Then we've got flaxseed, baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon. So now we've got our dry ingredients. We're gonna mix them together until they're well combined. Now we got 4 very ripe bananas in here. We're gonna mix them up in the food processor until they're just nice and mashy. Great. Now we're gonna add in about a half a cup of fruit juice. Whatever you got on hand works. This is an apple pomegranate mix. Some applesauce. I'm not just putting the applesauce in because it's an apple muffin. I'm putting it in place of oil. A half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a capful of vanilla. We're gonna puree that until it's all mixed together. We're gonna pour our wet mixture into our dry mixture and mix it up just enough so that it's combined. Now we're gonna add our mix-ins. 2 cups of apples. You can use any kind of fruit you want. And a half a cup of raisins. You could add nuts, dried fruit, chocolate chips, anything you want in there. And now we'll just stir it together until everything is evenly incorporated. Now we're just gonna scoop it into our muffin molds. I like to use an ice cream scoop. Just keep on filling them until you've got about the same amount in every single pan. I'm gonna bake these at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. If you're baking yours in a silicone muffin pan too, the trick is to let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then pop them out gently and let them rest upside down. They'll firm up much better that way. They're soft and moist. It tastes like autumn in a little comforting package. You can customize these muffins to whatever flavors you want. Use seasonal fruit, frozen fruit's fine too. Nuts, dried fruit, chocolate, whatever you want. Muffins. Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.